Hello everyone, here we've got POCO M5 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, open messages or any other area where you can put some text, then tap on a new chat, and here you've got the current language. To change it, tap on settings icon, pick languages, and just click on add keyboard. Then select the language that you would like to apply. As you can see, this is pretty long, so you will definitely find something suitable. And for example, if you wish to pick Filipino, just choose the particular one, tap on done. Then you can remove unnecessary language, or you can stay with both. Then you can switch between languages by tapping on space. But if not, you can just use one language only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.